Hey, YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I just got pulled over in this car. This freaking beautiful car. This Maserati. I just got pulled over in Niagara Falls. The cop said that he pulled me over because it came up that this car didn't have any insurance on it. And I showed him what the owner, I immediately contacted the owner. The owner sent me proof of insurance, but I don't know. We both think that the paperwork that the owner sent, because it's a business, we both thought it was a little bit shady, a little bit skeptical, the paperwork he sent. And the cop was like, I don't know if this car is insured or not. But then through Turo, I rented this through Turo, this Maserati, beautiful Maserati Levante. I rented it through an app, a rental app called Turo. And I have insurance. I have proof of insurance through Turo. Turo, as soon as you rent, Turo insures you up to $1 million, and then if anything happens, you have to pay $500 or whatever maximum. But yeah, it's all included in the price. It's all included in the rental price. The price through Turo. Me renting this car for a few days. But yeah, the police officer and I had some laughs, and we're thinking that this guy's a little bit shady, a little bit skeptical, but it had his first and last name on the report, and the vehicle identification number, which is all important, and I think he's going to end up being a subscriber. Yeah, I was telling him, I'm filming Niagara Falls. I've never been here before. I grew up in Barrie. What? You never been to Niagara Falls before? No, I've never been to Niagara Falls before. So I was recording, and I was telling him, I do a little bit for my YouTube channel and stuff, and he said, I'm gonna have to check that out. And so yeah, he's gonna look up Monthly Missions after work. Too funny. But I'm gonna continue recording here, and yeah, I'm gonna check out a little bit more of Niagara Falls. So I have this kind of set up that you can kind of see. I think that looks good. Okay, carry on. That took about 15-20 minutes. Nice guy though. Niagara Police. But yeah, tons of snow here. Look at all the snow at the sides. This device though, that's holding my camera right now, recording me driving, it's kind of wobbly. Hopefully it doesn't make the picture wobbly. I think these phones have some sort of stabilizer in them. Yeah, so that's the Skylon Tower. It's not quite as tall as the Toronto CN Tower. Where do I go from here? Left. I don't know if I'd want to go up there. seasons on it, this car. But you gotta just know how to drive it. Looks like they're not spending any money on the 21-inch snow tires. They had cost them $3,000 anyway. For brand new ones. Maybe cheaper. But you just gotta see him sliding. You just gotta slow down before the corner. Oh, there's the friggin' liquor store. I can film a little bit more. I need to pick up some wine and beer. That's where I left off. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find other sites. Track. I thought that was a roller coaster earlier. And there's Ripley's on the corner. Oh, wow. And I've heard about beaver tails. Looks like there's a beaver tail place. They're like a pastry. Look at this. Holy crap. Now this looks like Las Vegas. Check this out, friends. This is really neat. Shit. Oh boy. I need to freaking park somewhere and walk around. I never would have guessed Niagara Falls like this. Oh, look at that. That's the Frozen Falls ahead. No way. Holy crap. Can you guys see it? It's all frozen. Look at the trees. From the mist, from the water constantly going over. It's all frozen up there. The Niagara Falls. Holy shit. I don't see anywhere I can park. Oh yeah, so I got him on the phone. The owner just phoned me to make sure everything was okay. And yeah, he admitted he does not have insurance on this car. That it saves him money not having insurance, not having to pay a monthly premium. Look at the falls to the left. And whenever somebody rents through Turo, he has the car registered with Turo. Turo just pays the insurance. The car is insured through Turo, but not through him. So he can't really drive this car because it isn't insured. only as renters like me can drive this car because we get insured through an agreement through Turo. Wow, this is really freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, I see the falls. It's to the left here. Holy, the falls is more than one area. Looks like there's more falls over here. What the heck? Oh, I need to turn around and come back. Lots of people walking around. It's like freaking minus 25, minus 30 out. It's freaking cold. It's January 31st, 2026. And I'm just here for 2 days in Niagara Falls. Then on to Barrie, the town where I was born and raised in. I haven't been back to Barrie since 1994. So 36 years. Yeah. 1994. 2004, 2014, 2024. 32 years. And yeah, I'm looking forward to exploring Barrie. Barrie's a beautiful city. Looking forward to recording it. I needed to freaking do a U here. I need to go back and see those falls. So I need to turn around. So far I'm liking this device. I just bought this device that you just clamp somewhere and it holds onto your cell phone. That's the Rainbow Bridge. And look at the freaking falls. Oh, you can't see them. I think the other side is American. Isn't that Buffalo on the other side? I can't cross that bridge. I don't have a passport. So I think I might wind this trip up at the liquor store and take some stuff back to my Airbnb. Somewhere and walk around. this is where we get our liquor from. And then there's a store called the beer store that we get our beer from. But all our hard alcohol stuff comes from the LCBO, the Liquor Control Board of Ontario. That's it for round 2 for filming Niagara Falls. Yeah, the first one I had to cut it short, getting pulled over by the cops, Niagara cops. That all went good. It could have went south real quick, not having friggin' insurance on this car, but luckily Turo pulled through. And yeah, I have insurance through Turo. But anyways, nobody likes getting pulled over. I better sign out here. We'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. Trev, Monthly Mission, signing out.